Oh yeah, I'm excited about this one, baby. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing as we do everything RC related on this channel. This week on the workbench, we just picked up a new rig that we're adding to the fleet. We got the Vanquish Products VS4-10 Phoenix ready to run. This is the F10 straight axle version, and this is the first ready to run from Vanquish Products. So super excited to have this on the channel, super excited to add this to the fleet. While I'm not the biggest crawler guy, I do enjoy it. And specifically what I really like about trail trucks or rock crawlers is you can really make them your own. I have a TRX4 Bronco and I've enjoyed it a ton, guys. This is a great platform, kind of made it my own. Got a light kit, winch, some Trail B Lux, some BF Goodrich crawlers and the Predator compound. Got some stickers. Got the ESS dual sound system for it. So this is really my trail truck, guys. I've really enjoyed this. I think everybody should have a crawler or two in their fleet. I'm more of a basher guy myself. That's what mostly I have in my fleet, but I do enjoy the crawling from time to time. So, and here's a couple of my minis. Got a Defender TRX4M and the XCX24. So all of these are great platforms. I really enjoy making these my own. So I know the Phoenix is just going to be a great addition to the collection. The reason I wanted to go with this trail truck rock crawler is because it's a little bit performance oriented compared to the TRX4. I think I'm going to get a little bit better performance out of it the way this vehicle was designed. So I was definitely looking for not only just a trail truck, but something just a little bit more capable, and I really think that this Vanquish Products RTR really fits that bill. So we are going to go into a detailed unboxing, first run of this truck. It is a new vehicle, so it's not everywhere flooded on YouTube. So I figured let me give you a more detailed breakdown of the vehicle, and just to see if this vehicle really is something for you. They do have a kit if you're into the building, if you want to build it up. I'm not a big kit guy, but if you want to do that, they do have the straight axle version and they do have the portal version. I'm more of a ready to run guy. Just give it to me ready to go out of the box. That's more my style. And if you're new to the hobby, this is probably definitely the way to go. Let's not waste any time. Let's crack this baby open. Let's see what's inside. Before we get into the unboxing here, a couple of the things that this truck does not come with as opposed to the kit version. It does not come with an interior. It does not come with the bed sides, and it doesn't come with any servos for the selectable dig and overdrive though. But in the bag, in the parts bag, it does come with the selectable levers and stuff like that, so you don't have to buy it. It even comes with the light buckets in the rear if you are putting the bed sides. I think I'm going to be doing that, though. The cage look is growing on me the more I look at it. All right, let's crack the seal. If I'm not mistaken, this is modeled inspired by the Toyota FJ45. Let's unwrap my favorite part of this unboxing. You can see the minimalistic bumper on it, giving you a great approach and departure angles. This does have the licensed Falcon Wild Peak tires. These feel like a very sticky compound. We are gonna run it at my local park. We'll take it on the trail, we'll take it on the crawler course. I really wanna see the capabilities and the performance of this vehicle. So, love the look and design of it. And basically you have your two body clips back here. And this hinges forward. We also have another body clip in the front, which releases this hinging pin. And then the body will completely, at that point, can be removed. And just like the kit, comes equipped with the VFD twin transmission. The VS4-10 Phoenix does come equipped right out of the box, set at 6.5% overdrive. If you add the servo, of course, you can get up to 46%. So that's pretty exciting there, and that's a big overdrive. We will be adding both those servos to that in the future. Also comes equipped with the VE1 electronic speed controller. This is a Hobbywing 1060 branded by Vanquish, so pretty decent ESC. Also comes with the VR1 receiver, and the servo is a VS1 Metal Gear servo, about 200 inches of torque on that, so a pretty decent ready to run servo as well. And it comes equipped with XT60. Does come ready for rock lights. They do sell a kit for it. Gives you headlights, rear lights, and rock lights are included in that kit. Those come with the fake radiator already on it, which is a very nice touch. Those come with beadlocks and these metal rings. You got your 4-link stainless steel links in the back. We got a 3-link with a panhard in the front. We do have a machined panhard mount. Here's your straight axles. It also gives you this nice 4-channel remote, so when you do upgrade to the servos, you can actually use this remote for your selectable overdrive and selectable dig. So it even has a nice display on it, and also the batteries are included on it. Overall, really nice package here for an RTR. Really like the look of this rig, and it even has it's a little aluminum little cap. Gives it a nice look to it. So let's set the endpoint adjustment on it and hit select. No APA. So now look at the difference in my steering, guys. So guys, one last minute quick change. I was just able to get my hands on this Hobbywing Fusion SE brushless 2-in-1. This is the 1800 kV. This is a $80 motor. This is an excellent value and an excellent motor for this vehicle. I was gonna just do the run straight out of the box, stock motor, and see how it did on the course, but I figured there's a couple of videos out there already with running stock. Let's go ahead and drop a 2-in-1 SE in there and see how it does. So the only upgrade that we're going to give this truck before we put it on the course is going to be the 2-in-1 brushless combo. Everything else will be box stock. I'm going to drop it in there really quick and take it on the course. So let's go. So the crawler course was a little bit more packed than normal. My local park was hosting an RC swap meet this day, so Couldn't get to my typical favorite spots on the course, so basically I just got to the spots where I can get in and I did what I could. Immediately I can tell the difference between a stock setup and this brushless setup. The slow crawl control that I get plus the drag rate is much improved. It's basically a night and day difference, and at 80 bucks, I mean, this motor is just totally worth everything. Having the ability to truly slow crawl this obstacle like that is truly game changing. I've really never been able to do it with any of my other crawlers until now. One thing I noticed right away with the Vanquish VS4-10 is that it takes a lot for it to really get unsettled. It's pretty composed on the rocks, on the course, and sure, the motor is contributing to that and some of that great control, but the weight distribution of the vehicle, just having that motor all the way up front like that, it really helps the vehicle, and I thought it did phenomenal on the course.
and the 1800 kV motor has enough torque to get you out of a tight jam. While the tires are not terrible, I think they're better suited for the trail than a technical crawler course like this one. There are better options out there. But overall, I'm super impressed with the rig, and I'm super impressed with this Hobby Wing Fusion SE combo. This is a great setup for this rig, and I strongly recommend it. If you are picking up the Vanquish VS4-10, this is a perfect setup and one that I can't wait to get back on the course. You will definitely see this rig on the channel again very soon as my parts start coming in. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.